Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this beautiful Bennington 23R series that just arrived on our lot. Beautiful boat, guys. You see it's got the ocean blue paneling, the metallic silver accent stripe, the full blackout package with the heavy duty rub rail. All R series have the upgraded housing for your docking lights and nav lights, upgraded cleat. Guys, this is the ESP package. Let's take a look at the back. All right, guys, taking a look at the back of the 23R, you'll see that we've got this boat powered with the 300 Mercury V8 with digital throttle and shift. Again, this is the ESP package with the 32-inch center pontoon log. This is a swing back with the fast back with your built-in speakers in the back. Nice ski pylon that is not dropped in at the moment, but it is on board. Also comes with the nice lily pad ladder, which is phenomenal for getting in and out of the boat. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 23R. Up front in the bow, you'll see these full-size loungers, perfect for stretching out. Drop-down armrest. Also has a wireless phone charger right here. You've got two additional phone chargers up front on port and starboard side. Portable cup holders that move throughout the whole boat. Of course, plenty of storage underneath all your seating. Beautiful chase lounge back here that incorporates into your swing back. Nice trapezoid table. Again, more armrests that drop down, plenty of cup holders. You'll see this boat also has a cladded art with the upgraded speakers in it as well. So it does have the upgraded speaker system. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that we've got the two Vivid screens and the Simrad Go. Also digital throttle and shift with active trim. Again, plenty of cup holders. You'll also notice it has the raised helm. Back here on your swing back, you also have another remote, stereo remote, more cup holders, and an additional USB charger. Guys, for more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you.